Hey folks, how's it going? This is Anthony Fuller. Today we're going to be looking at the Jayco 246 BHW. This is an awesome trailer. It got new colors and everything, and I'll show you right now. First thing you want to notice is that it does have a power tongue jack on the front here. They got the new nice colors on it, a grayish looking color and white. If you step around here, you have the 2-year limited warranty by Jayco. You also have a power awning on this one. Then you come on inside, it does have the thermal package, so it is a heated underbelly. Then if you come inside, right away, what you're going to notice is that this trailer definitely has a nice walk-around bed. As you can see, you got your end tables on both sides, and you also have cabinet space for clothes and for books and stuff like that. The other part is what people like, this trailer doesn't have a slide, but it does have a nice couch. And it also makes into a bed if you need to make it into a bed. Okay. You also have a dinette. You get a nice TV and a Bluetooth stereo also, and it also acts as a DVD player. Then if you look to my left right here, you have the double sink, you have your microwave, and you have plenty of storage here. Storage there, drawers right here, and you have plenty under storage right here for pots and pans and stuff like that. Then you have your fridge here, of course, Norco fridge, deep fridge. You'll like that. Then over here for the kids, you have these two awesome bunks. Both of them have windows. The AC is right here, so it's ducted AC on this one. And you have an open window that is also escape hatch right there. Then you look over here, you have the bathroom, the toilet, and the shower. And then also, if someone's in there using the bathroom and you need to wash your face or brush your teeth, you can do that right here. Okay, now let's step outside. The price on this one is 25 grand. A really good price for an awesome trailer. Jayco is one of the top selling trailers on the market right now. Let me show you a little bit the outside. So you have storage right here. Nice little storage place under the bed there. Store all your gear in there. Then you have a walk-on roof. Nice ladder right here. Then you have a backup camera. Ask about that if you have questions. It is a plug and play. So you can just plug it in and you can have a backup camera. Then you also have an outside shower on this one. Double tandem axle. This is an awesome trailer. Jayco is an awesome trailer. If you guys have any questions about this trailer, please give me a call. My name is Anthony Fuller. You can reach me at 541-653-2818. Thank you.